Today's question is to calculate the area under the curve y equals 9 minus x squared. We see the curve drawn here. We need to calculate the area under the curve, which is bounded by the y-axis, the x-axis, and the curve itself. So it's this area here. We're going to do that in two ways. First, we're going to calculate the area using three rectangles. Area 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to calculate the area using the definite integral. Let's have a look at calculating the area using the three rectangles. The area is going to be approximately equal to, we need the height of this rectangle. This is f of 0.5 multiplied by the change in x, which is 1. We're going to sum each of the three areas. The next one's at 1.5 multiplied by 1 plus this final one at 2.5 multiplied by the change in x, which equals 1. Going to look at how to do this on our graphing calculator. Start off with y equals. We'll enter in our function 9 minus x squared, enter and quit. We want to make this calculation here. So to make this calculation here, we can say alpha f4, enter 0.5 plus alpha f4, enter 1.5 plus alpha f4 and 2.5. The area here is approximately equal to 18.25 square units. Okay, if we want to make this calculation using the summation symbol, the area is going to be approximately equal to the summation of n equal to 1 up to 3. Now in this case we want x1 to be 0.5, x2 to be 1.5, x3 to be 2.5. When n equals 1 we want 0.5. When n equals 2 we want 1.5. So we take n minus 0.5. We can enter this straight in on the calculator. Math, scroll up to summation. We put x instead of n from 1 to 3. And then we want alpha f4. So we'll take f of n minus 0.5. Or in this case, x equals to 1, y1 from x minus 0.5. Enter. We can change the logic that we use here. This goes up in integer increments. So second entry, we can do without this. If we start the summation at 0.5 and then going up to 2.5, this will make the same calculation. This is our first point. Lastly, we need to calculate the area using the integral. In this case it's going to go from 0 to 3 of f of x with respect to x. We can do this on the calculator numerically. Press math, scroll up to numerical integral from 0 to 3 alpha f4 with respect to x. And this time we see it's exactly 18 square units. You can do this on the graphing part of the calculator as well. I just set my axes up like this. I want to go from 0 up to about 4. I want to go here from 0 up to 10. We can draw our graph, you see the curve. We can calculate this area by pressing second calculate and then integral from 0 to 3. We see the answer, 18 square units.